Hi amazing viewers, in this video I'll be showing you how to create a YouTube thumbnail. For those of you that want to learn and also want to get it right, I'll be showing you that right here. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So the app we'll be using for this tutorial is the Canva app. So I'm going to click on the Canva app and open it. So we're going to wait for it to load. Then after loading, we're going to due to network, just hold on a little while for it to load. Then after loading, we're going to open up there's a place you can click on to search. So we're going to click on the search icon over there, like so. Click on the search icon, then you search for YouTube thumbnail. So you click on it to search for YouTube thumbnail. I have some design that I've done already here, so you'll be seeing them, but for the purpose of this tutorial I'll be creating it from scratch. All right, so let's click on the search icon. That's the YouTube thumbnail. So I'm going to search for the YouTube thumbnail, and we're going to have different templates. There are already already made template just for you to customize to your taste. So you open it and you see different thousands of templates. Then I'm going to just look for one and click on it. So but before now, I've had the one that I use. If not for this tutorial, I'll just go back to that one, and there's a way I'll be able to work on my previous design. So but let's click on this one with orange, this orange color design. Then we're going to use this for this tutorial. So after you click on it, we're going to edit it to fit into what we want to do. You are totally free to use any color for your brand. So for me, I use blue, and that's what I'll be using often. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, you also see me work with blue from this design. And also there's a way you can open your previous design and then duplicate, then continue from there. But because of this tutorial, I'm starting from scratch. So first thing first, you see this Canva here, it shows that it is a pro version. So I'm going to replace it with my own picture. So you can also do that, replace it with any of your picture, any picture that you want to use. It could be your picture, it could be your random picture, anyone that you have taken that is targeted to the video or the caption that you want to use. So I'll be removing it here, and because my picture, I have already removed the background, right? So I've already removed the background of the picture that I want to use. So I'll be clicking on this picture here. So that removed the pro version, the watermark version. So then the next thing is just for you to replace this what's it called, this text. And before then, you have to change the color, if orange is your color, or any other color that you would like to use, but mine is blue, so I'll be changing the color down here. This is color here, then I'll change it to blue, right? So after that, I'm also going to this picture, I'm going to be flipping it. Okay, I'm going to be flipping it just so it could be pointed to the other side like this. Okay, so I'll be adjusting it as well. So you have to do all of these things depending on what you want to do. So I'll be changing this to how to make so whenever it's coming up like this, you're just going to keep adjusting it. How to create a YouTube thumbnail, how to create a, then I come here to YouTube thumbnail. So I'll be changing this to YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so the next thing I'll be doing is to adjust it. I'll be adjusting the size of this font. Okay, just to adjust it. for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be adjusting it to a size that I know that it will fit in that box that is there. So I'll be doing 51, right? So I will expand it as well, expand it. So I missed a letter here, so I'll just be adding it back, and that is letter L. That's the letter L. So I'll be adding letter L to this. Okay, so I think, okay, so there's a mistake. YouTube thumbnail. So as long as this thing is keeps bringing keep taking you back like this, you just have to keep adjusting it though. You just have to keep adjusting it. So yeah, so this is it. I'll have to adjust it. So adjust it, then I'll come here to, I'll also adjust the font size to 51, because I like that my size are the same. So depending on what you want to do, you can make one bigger than the other. I don't know, you can just freestyle, just do something that suits you, that you know that you really want. Okay, so but me, I like that the sizes are the same. So the next thing that I'll be doing is that I'll also be, I'll just be adjusting everything, from the picture to the font and the rest of it. Okay, so I'll be adjusting everything, every other thing here, okay. So this is just me adjusting, doing the adjustment. Okay, so I'll be bringing this down a little like this. I'll also be taking it to the other side. Oh, okay, so we're taking this to the other side. This is just me doing my own adjustment according to what I want. So you can also do yours according to what you want. So I think this is okay. So I'll be coming here to change the color. For me, I'll be using deep blue. Okay, just do something that suits you. Here too, I'll be changing this color here to white. You click on it, click on the rectangle, so click on the shape. Then I'll be changing mine to white, while I'll be changing this to, I think I'll be using color, this text I'll be using deep blue for the text, right? Okay, so then here, this other rectangle here, just find a way to click on it. So I'll be changing this other rectangle here to also deep blue as the first one. So yeah, so I think I'm done here. So I can just download. I'll click on this arrow, download link down here, then I'll download it. Just download it like that, then wait for it to save and download. So preparing your design, making magic happen. Preparing your design, making magic. So now it's saved to our gallery, and that's it. So after it's saved to your gallery, you just go and use it for what you want to use it for. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you find it helpful. Please subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell so you get a notification each time I post a new video. So please share this video as well, share it to anyone that may find it helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye.